Welcome to the Site Type tutorial. This is Andrew
and Chaz
with the VGS Dev team. This tutorial will show you how to create customized site types in the Options Manager menu. Site types are used to categorize or describe a new site. To see how to set up a new site, please see the Creating a New Site tutorial. The user can customize site type input options to fit data collection program needs. Let's see how it's done.
From the menu toolbar, select Setup, then Option Manager, and the Option Manager window will open. Under the list item, select Site Types. Site types such as key areas, photo points, and others are pre-populated in the VGS database. These have the locked icon next to them and cannot be deleted, but can be made inactive by unchecking the radio button under the active column. Changing a site type to inactive does not remove the reference from the database, but removes the site type as an option during site type selection.
To add a new site type, click the Add icon and a new row will appear. Name the new site type and give a description if desired. Ensure the radio button under the active column is checked. If you'd like to change the default site type, check the radio button under the default column for the item you would like to save as the default and click Save. If you'd like to cancel all new edits, click the Cancel button.
If you would like to delete a site type that is not locked, select the item and click the Delete icon. A site type will not be deleted if the site type is referenced in the VGS database. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you have learned something new and helpful. Until next time.